but don't got time to wager your heart. I'm trying to switch up your cadence. Book flights, sipping vacations, tequila, and relations, kissing on new places. Oh, baby, let me change your life. I wanna see that you can be anything you want. Baby, let me change your life. You wanna be anything. Baby, I can make you right. I wanna see that you can be anything you want. Baby, let me change your life.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. So I am back from Pittsburgh and I just finished unpacking my bags. I have to put the suitcase away, but I also went to Walmart and Target and picked up some stuff. I had to re-up on a couple of like hygiene products, so I wanted to show y'all what I got. And I also went to Bath and Body Works because I needed more soap, hand soap, and it was just $3.50 for the soaps. And I only buy soaps from them when they're like $2.50 or $3.50 because I feel like it's worth it, and I run through them fast. And I prefer the gel over the foam because I feel like the gel lasts a little bit longer. But I stopped at Target and I picked up some more Airwick refills. So this is what I use in the bathroom because a lot of people use the bathroom, so I like to keep it smelling good. And this one is like a summer scent, peach and sweet nectar. So I got the big refill. I went to Walmart, and y'all remember in my last vlog I was talking about how I wish they created a bigger size of this Nivea soft cream, because this is what I've been using lately on my skin because it's summertime and it's hot and I don't want to feel greasy and I don't want to feel oily. So I needed a body lotion, body cream that's going to be a little bit more lightweight, non-greasy, but still leave my skin soft and hydrated and glistening. And the Nivea cream has been doing that, but this was so small, and like I said, I was running through it. So when I was walking through Walmart, lo and behold, y'all, look what I found. Bingo! This is a bigger size. This is a 16 ounce and this one is a 6.8 ounce. So look at the difference, y'all. So I'm about to be living. This was $10 and this little thing is $6. Look at the difference. Okay, so I found this at Walmart. If y'all looking for the bigger size jug, this can be found at Walmart. This is a very light, fresh scent, clean, and it pairs really well with this Skylar Sun Shower perfume. This is a clean perfume. I've been wearing it like crazy during this summer and spring era. So these two together complement each other. So this is my combo that I've been wearing at nighttime, and it's been working for me. And then I also picked up more of my favorite everyday body wash. So I use a lot of body washes, but this is like my go-to body wash. This is the Equate version of Dove Sensitive Skin. They literally have the same ingredients, so I always get the store brand one. So this is the big size of the Equate Sensitive Skin Dove. This does not throw off my pH. It smells like regular scented soap, but not like perfumed, if that makes sense. It's very light and gentle. And then I also picked up some more of the body scrub from Dove. I love these body scrubs. They actually leave your skin so soft. They don't melt within 2.5 seconds of you rubbing it on your skin. This is the brown sugar and cocoa butter, and it smells just like it, brown sugar and cocoa butter. There's also a cherry and chia milk one that smells good, but this is gonna be perfect for the summer. This is what it looks like. And then I also picked up the Frank Body coconut coffee scrub. They have like another one that's like in a pink container, but this one is supposed to be good for people that have sensitive skin. This is what it looks like. Frank Body. It is in a waterproof bag and it's perfect for traveling. Bath and Body Works. Bow. I picked up a refill hand soap. This is the eucalyptus scent. I love this. This gives you about, I would say, 2 to 3 full containers. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 foam hand soaps. This is Endless Weekend, Fresh Rainfall and Linen. I have Sunlit Palm Trees and a Bridgerton Wisteria Garden one as well. And then I picked up 3 of the gels, the hand gels. This is also a Bridgerton collab. This is a Diamond of the Sea. I have Seaside Cove and Beach Bliss. Also, somebody on Instagram, they was like, where do you keep all of this self-care stuff that you always buying? And y'all, it's really not that much stuff that I be buying. It just probably seems that way because every time I'm on a vlog, I'm like re-upping on something, but most of the time I'm re-upping on stuff that I use every day. So I have this little crate that I got from Marshalls or TJ Maxx. You can find it there. And in here I keep basically my backup face washes in here and my body washes that I'm currently using or trying out. So if it would focus, I have about, let's say, 4 body washes. So I have my Necessaire one, which I don't use every day. I have the Method one. I have 2 of the Cremos that I love, the Palo Santo, and then the what's it called, Silver Water and Birch. So that's 4 body washes that I have. And then I have my Salt XO, which is the feminine hygiene products that I use. So I buy them in like 2s. So this is the new packaging, Salt XO Yoni Gel. So I have 2 of those. And then behind there is pretty much nothing, right? I have another Naturium body wash right here. This is for like smoothing out the skin. Why is this not focusing? And then I keep my conditioner and my shampoo in here as well. So this is what I use on a everyday basis, is this Pure Zero Biotin straightening conditioner and shampoo. So whenever I hop in the shower, I just grab these 2. And then for my deep conditioner, y'all know I love my Aussie, my 3-minute Miracle Moist deep conditioner. So that's there. Then I put my body scrubs in this little bag or basket that my cousin gave me for my birthday. And in here I have my what's it called, this is the brush that I use to dry brush my skin to help with lymphatic drainage. And then I keep my body scrubs in here, and I literally only have like 4. So I have my Sol de Janeiro, y'all know I love Sol de Janeiro. I have the Tree Hut one, which I love this brand as well. And then I have Soap and Glory. I love Soap and Glory. So that's 3 body scrubs, right, that I have. So then I also use this to detoxify my pits, my backup face wash, okay. And then I'm about to add the Dove one in here. All right, so I put the Dove one in here, and that's pretty much it.
So much potential, I really am fucking with you. Just don't Get upset with you, get a break bread with you, get to travel the world and see the name from bed to two, get to make revenue, no way surprising you, baby, let me.
Y'all, so today is Sunday. Later on I'm going to my cousin's birthday dinner. She's turning 25. We're going to Mia's Italian Kitchen. It's a restaurant here in Orlando that serves authentic Italian food, so I'm here for the pasta. Okay, I'm about to have me some good pasta. Yesterday I went to my esthetician and we did a chemical peel, so I'm kind of like peeling right here already, and it's only been like less than 24 hours, so I can't wait till the skin peels and I reveal like a new glowy skin. So the chemical peel basically just helps to slough off that first layer of dead skin, which is in turn going to help with hyperpigmentation, dark spots. It can help reduce your acne scars and soften them up a little bit, make your skin a little bit softer. She did also dermaplane, which helps to remove dead skin. So I'm so excited to see what the results are going to be like. And then she was like, I don't want to get ahead of myself, but your skin looks different. I was like, thank God. Look at this. So I got this from TJ Maxx because I went to TJ Maxx to grab a candle for her because she likes candles, but she don't like vanilla scented candles. So I just seen Happy and I grabbed the bag, and not even paying attention that the bag says happily ever after, and then it says congrats right here. I'm looking for high quality like summer sandals because, you know, it's hot outside, it's summer, we're gonna be in the sundresses, we want our toes out, we're gonna be out on the beach, we're gonna be out, you know, just walking everywhere with sandals and having your toes out. So I was looking for high quality sandals, so I stumbled upon these Steve Maddens, which is a dupe for the Hermes slides. And people online were saying to size up half a size, but I tried these on. So I wear 7.5. I got these in an 8, and the 8 still has like a little bit of room in the back, but I feel like I could have went up to an 8.5. So these are the ones that I got. They're the white ones. Steve Madden. Y'all know one thing Steve Madden gonna do is they gonna copy and dupe everybody's shoes and bags and stuff. So these are the Steve Madden sandals. Let me show it to y'all on my feet. So this is the 8, right? This is what it looks like. But if y'all see in the back, it's still, I should have went up like another half a size, because I wear 7.5 and this is an 8, and I still feel like the back of my feet is kind of like out. So I don't know if I might exchange them to an 8.5. I might just keep the 8, but y'all, look at this. I'm gonna have to see. But these are like perfect. They don't hurt, and they're really cute, simple, everyday sandals that you can wear.
Everything designer, that's on me. That's why when I walk, you You know